Namaste. Now I am sending healing to cure insomnia. Insomnia, uh, that is lack of sleep. To receive this healing, what you have to do? Drink plenty of water, lay down, or you can sit in your place. Do not cross your hands or legs. Close your eyes. Be super receptive. That means open up yourself to receive the healing energies. Don't block those energies. Receive the healing and you will feel the difference. In the first part, I will send healing to cure insomnia, and in the second part, I will send healing for peaceful, deep sleep. Okay? Starting my healing, please receive. Please pray to the God, to the universe, to the healing energies. Say thanks. Say thanks. Say thanks to universe. Say thanks to your parents. Say thanks to your loved ones. Say thanks to your enemies. Say thanks to all those who are causing troubles in your life as per your point of view. Now, I am drawing the REIKI symbols. These are holy symbols. These are sacred symbols. These symbols will cure your problems. The healer is only a channel. I, as a healer, is only a channel. Channel of the universal life force energy. I am cutting all the unnecessary and negative cords from your chakras, from your aura. Using different symbols from different Reiki modalities. Feel the difference. You are feeling light. lighter. As all those negative energies are cleared, all those negative cords are cut off, you will feel even lighter. I am clearing your anxiety energies. I am cleaning your solar plexus chakra. Cleaning your heart chakra. Cleaning your third eye chakra. Cleaning your aura from all those negative thought forms and negative energies. Cutting off all those negative cords from your navel chakra. Cut, cut, cut. Cutting all the negative cords from your back navel chakra. Now I am sending healing for your peaceful and deep sleep. Be relaxed. Be relaxed. All those anxieties are cleaning your third eye chakra. Cleaning your aura from all those negative thought forms and negative energies. Cutting off all those negative cords from your navel chakra. Cut, cut, cut. cutting all the negative cords from your back navel chakra. Now I am sending healing for your peaceful and deep sleep. Be relaxed. Be relaxed. All those anxieties are gone. All tensions, all the pauses, all are gone. How are you feeling? Are you awake at all till now? Sleep. Have a peaceful and deep sleep. Have a peaceful and deep sleep.